Jetpangan po, welcome to another exciting episode of Mix Live. Kasama namin ngayong araw na ito ang walang iba kundi ang tinaguriang Asia's romantic balladeer, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Christian Bautista.
Just merely passing through, doing what we can do in a lifetime. We have more than one adventure to take, more than one dream to make in a lifetime. As for me, there's only one dream, and that's to love you. We'd sometimes do crazy things, and our hearts would take wing like a sparrow. But that's life. We'll take each day as it comes, never leaving the crumbs for the morrow. As for me, all of my days I'll spend them all with you, loving you, love to last a lifetime. We all can leave something lasting behind to be remembered by. Just a song for me, and then at least I would try. I agree, it's not so much what we have as how we use what we have in a lifetime. 30 years is worth 102. It's really what we can do in a lifetime. All my love I would give for as long as I may live, with a love to last a lifetime. All my days I will spend them all with you. All my love I will give it all to you. With a love to last a lifetime.
Mr. Christian Bautista, welcome back to Mix Live, sir. Welcome, welcome.
Yes, great to be back.
Yes, and we're very happy to have you with us again after a couple of years, right?
Oh, medyo matagal na. Pero thank you that you're welcoming me back and that you're here still.
Yes.
You're a total performer, by the way.
Wow. Coming
Theater
from...
actor, singer, rock star, host. Teleserye na next na to, saka movie pa.
Hindi ko na lang alam gawin magluto, pare.
Luto na lang. Okay.
Ikaw ba marunong magluto?
I fry. My best specialty is fried quail eggs.
Fried quail eggs. Madali lang ba yun?
Oo. Special kasi pag pinrito mo siya, ayan, tapos na.
Ganun kabilis. That's something I need to learn. Oh,
Yeah.
oh.
Madali yan, madali yan.
Because I
Masarap.
can't boil an egg to save my life, really. So, but anyway, I'm very proud to stand beside a gentleman who's not only popular in our country, but is a big name in Indonesia and Malaysia. Yan. So, parang Hollywood actor na rin ang katabi ko ngayong araw.
Wow.
Oh, di ba?
Bollywood naman, Bollywood.
Bollywood. How does it feel to, to cross borders, to, to extend your popularity beyond your country of origin?
Nung nalaman ko nga na tumutugtog yung music ko dun sa ibang bansa, tapos ang tanong ko, wait, who's listening to this? The Filipinos or the Indonesians or the Malaysians? The Indonesians are listening to it. Tapos, wow, really? So nung pagpunta ko dun, I was kind of nervous kasi hindi ko alam kung ano yung i-expect, if they will like me or not. Pero they were singing along, they knew the song from start to finish.
We're talking about English songs.
English songs.
Okay.
So, music talaga really crosses borders, boundaries, even religion. Because if you think about
course,
it,
yes.
Indonesia is a Muslim country,
Mhm.
and my name's Christian, and I'm there singing for them.
Exactly.
Ang galing talaga.
Parang it goes with the saying that music does not discriminate,
That's right.
does not oppress, and does not segregate.
That's right. Pwede ka mag-politician pa. Is that part of the plan?
Shh. We're gonna talk more about plans with Christian when Mixed Live returns.
All right.
Yes.